Welcome to this channel, Mathematics for You tutorial. Thank you. If it is your first time watching, I want to say thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel. Alright, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Alright, to this topic we'll be discussing order of operation. Alright, so order of operation, this has to do with brackets and the full operations: addition, subtractions, multiplication and division. Alright, so under this topic we'll be looking at BODMAS. It's very key, it's very cardinal. BODMAS, BODMAS, BODMAS. Alright, so we are going to be discussing each letter in this acronym BODMAS. The first one we're going to deal with is B. It stands for bracket or parenthesis. So whenever they give you a problem to simplify, the first thing you simplify the one that is in parenthesis first or bracket first. Alright, from there you look for O, which is orders. Alright, it stands for powers or exponent and square root. After the parenthesis, after you have simplified the one is parenthesis, the next one look for is what? Powers or exponent and square roots. Okay, after that you look for DM. It stands for division and multiplication. You do it from left to right. Division and multiplication from left to right. Alright, so they are ranked equally. Division, multiplication from left to right. The next one is what? AS, which stands for addition and what? Subtraction from left to right. They are ranked equally. Alright, so this is very key on this topic, order of operation. It's very important. Look at this acronym, know it, memorize it to your fingertip. Alright, thank you. Alright, so let's take an example. Let's take this example. Simplify 9 times 4 minus parenthesis open 6 minus 2 equals times 3. Alright, so if you're given a problem like this, you got to know your acronym BODMAS. The first thing you look for parentheses or bracket. Okay, simplify the problem in parentheses first. Simplify it first. From there you look for other, which stands for exponents or power and square root. If there is none, you go to DM, which is division and multiplication. Alright, from left to right. Okay, if there is none, then you go to addition and subtraction. But this problem we have parentheses there, we have problem in parentheses, we have multiplication, we have subtraction. Alright, there is no division, there's no addition, so it means that we have to do the one parenthesis first. From there we multiply before we subtract. Don't subtract before you multiply. No, you'll be wrong. Alright, so we are going to do it in that order. Alright, solution. Alright, look at this one. What we did first, we did the one parenthesis first. 6 minus 2 will give you 4. Alright, that's why you have that 4 there. You have 4 times 3, right? Good. You have 9 times 4 minus 4 times 3. Okay, alright, it is set now. So the next one is what? Multiplication. Okay, so don't subtract before you multiply. No. Okay, you multiply before you subtract. Okay, so you group that like this: 4 times 3, and you have 9 times 4. Okay, 9 times 4 minus 4 times 3. Alright, so what you do, you multiply 4 times, now you get 36 minus 4 times 3 will give you 12. Okay, we further simplify this one, you're going to get 24. Okay, QED simply means quite easily done. Alright, it is very simple. All you have to do is know your acronym BODMAS, follow the step. Right, don't make any mistake, follow the step. Example 2. Alright, is simplify 6 times 3 minus 12 divided by 6 plus 8. The first thing you look for is parentheses. There's no parentheses there, you look for orders, stands for powers or exponents and square root. If there is none, the next one you look for is what? DM, division and multiplication. Alright, yeah, so here we have multiplication, we have division sounds there. Alright, so look at the solution. Okay, so you group them like this: 6 times 3 minus 12 divided by 6 plus 8. Alright, so division and multiplication, okay, they are ranked equally. Do it from left to right. Okay, they are ranked equally. Don't subtract or add before you divide, multiply. No. Okay, you multiply or you divide before you add or subtract. Okay, so multiply 6 times 3 give you 18. Okay, 12 divided by 6 will give you a 2. With your minus sound and your plus sound. So now you can subtract and you add. Subtract and you add, right? So you have 18 minus 2 plus 8. So subtract first. 18 minus 2 will give you 16 plus 8. Alright, now we can add. So it give you a 24. Okay, QED. I already know, like I said previously, it stands for quite easily done. Alright, so and it's very simple. So all you have to do is know the acronym, follow the step by step. Don't make any mistake. Follow the steps. So memorize it. Know the acronym BODMAS. BODMAS. BODMAS is very important in other operation. Know it. Fingertip. Don't forget about it. Know it. Let's take the last example. Example 3. Simplify 5 plus 6 minus 7 times 3 minus 6 divided by 2. Alright, the first thing you look for is parentheses. If there is no parentheses, the next one is what? Exponents and square root. If there is no exponent and square root, the next one you look for is DM, multiplication and division. Alright, so now if you look at this problem, there is multiplicational sound here, there is divisional sound. Alright, so the next one after multiplication and division is what? AS, which stands for addition and what? Subtraction. Alright, if you look at this problem, the 4 operational sounds, they are here. Alright, the 4 operational sounds, so we got to be very careful, take our own time. Alright, we have to be very careful. So let's take the solution. Wow, okay, 5 plus 6 minus 7 times 3 minus 6 divided by 2. Alright, so we're going to multiply first. The rule says you multiply first before you divide, add or subtract. Alright, you multiply first. Okay, so we multiply 7 times 3 will give us 21. Okay, after multiplication, go to division from left to right. Okay, we divide next. 6 divided by 2. Okay, so 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. Alright, 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. The next step is where you add and subtract. Okay, from left to right, you add and subtract. So we are going to add 5 plus 6. Alright, 5 plus 6 will give us 11. Alright, so we added 5 plus 6, which is equal to 11. So now we are going to subtract. If you punch this one in your calculator, 11 minus 21 minus 3 is going to give you minus 13. Alright, if you punch in your calculator, it will give you minus 13. Alright, it's very simple. All you have to do is follow the step. Follow the steps. BODMAS. 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 Know it to your fingertip. Study it. The acronym. Know the meaning of each letter there. Know it to your fingertip. Thank you for watching.